Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like and comment. So today, guys, I'm super excited. This is the first time that I purchased a diamond painting from Art and Soul. Okay. And this is actually a painting that I've been, I guess what you call a unicorn. I've been wanting this beautiful painting from Hannah Lynn. So it's called Heart of Ice, Hannah Lynn, and it's 45 by 63 centimeters, and it is a round. Okay, and this company, Art and Soul, as you can see, it says Premium Licensed Diamond Painting Kit, and it comes in this box. It says like shades of blue and purple, and then on the side it says Let Your Soul Shine, which is pretty nice. And then in the back, artandsouldiamonds.com. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I hope everyone is doing well today. It is actually, I think today's Tuesday night. I'm sure everyone's getting ready for Thanksgiving. Okay, let's see. So it comes, so like I said, this is my first time. Let's see, I'm gonna need a pair of scissors. All right, no, not these, not sharp enough. Yeah, I guess we could try these. All right, let's see. As you can see, it comes in a bag, I guess, to protect it while it's traveling. So it comes in a box, then that box, then in this bag. So wow, lots of protection, which is pretty cool. All right, let's see. I'm so excited, guys. First time I saw this painting, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. Okay. All right, let's see. So here, another bag. Okay, would you open this? I guess here. So let's see what we have. So it comes with an inventory sheet. Okay, it tells you, let's see, inventory sheet. It tells you the size, which is 45 by 63 centimeters. It is a round. This has 2 ABs. It has 2 soul dust. I love that, 2 soul dust, and 2 crystals. And Heart of Ice by Hannah Lynn. It tells you that it has 57 colors. So let's look at the symbols. As you can see, let me just get this a little closer. The symbols, it tells you that it's 1 through 9, which is nice. Then it has letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, yep, all the way, I guess, to X. It's got uppercase letters. It also has some lowercase letters, and then the rest are just symbols. And then it tells you, so the first row tells you the symbol. This is the DMC number, the original quantity, the actual quantity, the weight, and how many bags. So in other words, here, this one, 310, which is black, there's 4 bags. And all the rest, it looks like it's 1 bag. Yep. All right, and then the beautiful picture. Isn't she just beautiful, guys? Oh my gosh, she's just so adorable. Perfect for the winter now. So I'm probably going to work on this one for the winter, probably for next month or January. We'll see. I love her. All right, so let's see. Let's get the drills out and the toolkit. All right, so I'm going to put this aside. Just dropped the inventory sheet. Sorry about that. I'm just super excited. Okay, let's look at the toolkit very quickly. Let's see what we have in here. Lots of stuff, lots of goodies. Let's see if I can get them out. Come on. Okay. So you see it has little baggies. And this is just in case you're traveling and you don't have containers. You can actually put them in here, or you could actually leave them in these baggies. So you don't have to kit it up if you don't want to. Okay, so it comes with a diamond pen. This is a single placer. This is like a 2 or 3 placer. And this one is, I think it's a 7 or a 6, I'm not sure. All right, and then it also comes with a comfort grip. Just in case you have a little bit of arthritis, this can help, okay, for comfort. And it comes with some purple, it says Art and Soul on them, which is pretty cool. And they're very, very sharp, so please be very careful. It comes with some wax, Wow, that's a lot of wax, purple wax. Look at this. There is 6 of them. Wow. Okay, and when you use the wax, make sure that you peel back the plastic. All right, gotta try that out. And of course, it has a tray. All right, so we're gonna put the kit aside. And these are the drills. All right, so it has 57, and by the way, the drills are resin drills, which is pretty cool. Look at all those beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside for now, and let's bring out the canvas. So I'm just gonna, oh wait, there's another sticker in here, guys. Okay, that's perfect. Wow, look at this. Art and Soul, Heart of Ice by Hannah Lynn. So you could actually use these. These are pre-cut stickers, so you could actually use these on your containers if you are going to kit up in containers. If not, you could leave them in the baggies, all right? And then you could actually use this sticker for your logbook. All right, so let's put that aside. Now let's bring out the beautiful, I'm just gonna unroll it. And this is, I'm just gonna roll it. Hold on. This is premium poured glue canvas, which is nice too. All right, soft. It's got the scallop edges. It's got the holes, the little pinholes, and that is excellent because that helps to prevent from fraying from the canvas falling apart. All right, so let's put that aside. So now I'm going to unroll this beauty. Oh my gosh, the colors, absolutely beautiful. Okay, on the top it says Art and Soul. Then it's got a picture of the painting, and then you got 2 legends. Wow, the legend is very, very clear and very big. I like that. Okay, so it's got a legend on the upper left-hand side, and then it's got another legend on the bottom right-hand side. And then also, by the way, wow, there's another picture here of the painting and another picture down here. And then again, it says Heart of Ice by Hannah Lynn, 45 by 63 centimeters. And then over here is their logo, Art and Soul. This is, I guess, where you can find them, artandsouldiamonds.com, info at artandsouldiamonds.com. And by the way, they have so many paintings, lots and lots of paintings. Let me just peel this a little bit. The plastic is pretty thick, which is nice. Okay, let's see if I can do this, because I should have taken it out before, just to try to see if I can flatten this a little bit, because it's been in the bag, as you can see. That helps so we can see it better. Hoping it'll prevent some of the glare. Just peeling this back. Very easy to peel back because it is thick plastic, which I love. Love that, guys. Look at that. Is that better? Okay, let me just do this side again. As you see, it's a little wrinkly there. But look at that. I like the way this peels off easily. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's see this beauty. Wow. I love her. All right, let me just push this back so we don't the glare. All right, so Hannah Lynn is known for making these beautiful girls with big, big, big eyes, and I just absolutely love them. So she's got beautiful big blue eyes. She's got a little mouth here. She's got like sort of like brown with purple hair, very long. Oh, let's not forget those. Look at those eyelashes. Oh my gosh. And I love her hat. You know, her wintry hat. It's got little pom-poms, a pom-pom on the top, like I was gonna say bunny ears, but they're like ears. They look like ears, like bear ears maybe, but they're like pom-poms. And love the pattern, this blue and orange pattern on her hat. It just reminds me, oh, and all this around her is also like little pom-poms. Yeah, let me look at the picture. Yeah, little pom-poms, part of the hat, which I love. And then it's got, I think that's part of her, yeah. And then it's got like 2 little, oh gosh, like 2 decorative little balls here. I guess for her hair. Not her hair, it's part of the hat. And by the way, guys, this sort of reminds me of the way my mom used to do my hair when I used to go to school. Yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh. And she's holding, let's see. It looks like this is part also. I'm not sure if this is, what is this in the background? I don't know if that's part of her sweater. Maybe like a little fur behind her because it's cold outside. It's snowing. And then she has like a little broken heart in her hand. And then, look at this. Look at her glove. Isn't that cool? Look at the pattern on it. So it's stripes, and then it's got little stars. Actually, not, that's the symbols, I'm sorry. It's got brown and like red stripes. And this is like a orangey, dark brown. Very pretty. I love it, guys. I love this painting. Yeah, very happy with it. And as you can see in the background, you've got different kinds of blues, like 3 different kinds of blues, and it's snowing. So it's a perfect painting for the winter. I love her. Okay, look at her little pink cheeks. All right, so let's move it aside and let's look for, actually, let's turn it. And we're just gonna get the special drills. Okay, so we're gonna figure out where the special drills go. This is great, guys, because if you don't want to kit up, if you don't want to put these drills in containers, you could actually leave them in these baggies. Okay, so let's see. Where are the ABs? Let's see. I'm trying to figure out if it's in the bottom. Okay, here it is. So 54 is an AB, which means Aurora Borealis. So you got 54, 55 is an AB. And then you have 2, I think I said, yeah, 2 ABs and 2 soul dust. So they're all in the bottom. So 54 through 57. Okay, perfect. Love that. So you got 57, 56. Those are the soul dust. Basically, they're like another name for fairy dust. And these are the ABs. Okay, so 2 ABs. I'm just gonna do this. Of course, there's 3 bags of 310, which is black, because Hannah Lynn likes to do use the black to outline the painting, which is nice because it sort of brings the painting out. But as you can see, you have like purples, blacks, blues, pinks, burnt orange, a little bit of everything. Oh, wait a minute, and we forgot the crystal. There's a crystal in here. Yes. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. There's a crystal. Did we say 1 crystal? Or is it 2 crystals? I think. Hold on a second, guys. Thought I saw another one. Yep, there's 2 crystals. I almost forgot. Okay, here it is. Oops. Okay. All right. So we're gonna put the drills aside. Oh, wait a minute. This is not it. That's not it. Oh, Mama Mia. It's this one. Sorry about that. I'm just so excited. Okay, calm down. All right, let's put that aside. Sorry about the noise. We don't need those now. Okay, so we have, let me just organize these. These are the crystals. And the 2 ABs and the 2 soul. All right, so the crystal, you have this very pretty, it's like let me get the lights a little closer so we can see better. All right. The crystals is like a very pretty lime green color. Can you see that? Okay, that's very pretty. Wonder where that goes, right? And then you have another crystal. It's like a turquoise blue. And then these are the soul dust. So you have another blue, but a darker blue. This is a very pretty color. This is like a green blue. Love the color in this. Lots of blues here, guys. And then, of course, this one, these are the ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis. It just means that it has an extra shine to them. And this is another blue and another blue, more like a turquoise. All right, so let's see. Now I'm just going to, well, it doesn't matter. Oh, there goes, I don't know if you guys can hear Bella downstairs barking. I told her to stay with to stay with Daddy downstairs. Okay. I'm going to turn the painting. Let's push this back because we don't need that. All right, so we're going to do the crystal first, which is 37, and it is a question mark. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's see. I love that it's the symbols on the painting are big, so you can really see everything. Okay, so it's right here. It's on the heart. I see all the little question marks here, all on the inside of the heart. All right, so that means that the heart is going to be shiny. All right, so let's do this one now. This is the other crystal, and this one's 52. And this is when the legend comes in handy, guys. 52 is like a U-turn, a U-turn symbol. Okay, so let's see. Okay, down here. It's right here in the background. It's this blue around the heart. Okay, and I'm just gonna bring it maybe in the background over here. Yep, all this blue here, all around, and then some over here around. Okay, and some over here on the hat. Okay, very pretty, love that. This one is 54, and this one is an AB, and this is the pie. I think I saw it over here. Over here again in the background. It is down here. Down here in the background. Not in her eyes. Okay, it's gonna be in the background. Over here in the background. Okay, so up here in the background and all around. Wow, that blue is just gonna be really, really shiny. All right, this one is the tree. I call it a tree, and it's blue. So I thought it was gonna be on her eyes. Nope. Is it on the hat? Nope. It's gonna be also on the background, guys. All around the background. Wow. Wow. And of course, some around the heart. Okay, so far it's in the background and in the sun. I mean in the heart. All right, and then this one is the music sign. And let's see, where can it be? I thought it was going to be on her hair. Aha, it is actually down here. See, it's right here on her hair. Let's see up here. Over here again. It's sort of gonna be like highlights. Bring out, the highlights. Yeah, that's it for that one. Okay, and then this is the last one. And by the way, that was a soul dust. And this is another soul dust. And this is just like a little twirl. What a very pretty color. I love it. Okay, let's see. Is it in the background too? Nope. Huh. The little twirl. Here it is. It's this pretty color here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's on her hat. Is it down here? Yeah, it's going to be whoosh. That's going to be nice. It's going to be in her little, I guess let's call them, I don't know, like little barrettes, but they're balls. Okay, there. And is it on the heart? No. Nope. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I think it's perfect. If you want to add more bling, where would you do it? Would you add some on her eyes to bring her eyes out, or on her lips? And yeah, absolutely love her. And you know what? I would probably, I don't know, I like maybe the snow that's falling. Maybe I would bling that out. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm very, very happy. Love it. And like I said, I will probably work on this one for next month or January for winter. So I'm not sure if I'm going to work on a Christmas one next month, but this one's definitely for January, probably. Love her. All right, guys. Well, I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful and safe Thanksgiving day with family and friends. And thank you again. And I'm sorry I haven't been doing as many I haven't been making videos. It's because I'm very busy with my mom and with Bella. And so, yeah, thank you again very much for everything, guys, and bye-bye.